guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very small Dollar Tree haul for you. I was in there the other day. Well, actually this is a kind of an accumulation of trips to the Dollar Tree, so let me show you what I found. I think I found some pretty cute things. Some of this is going to be for St. Patrick's Day, some is just going to be, there's a very small amount of things for Easter, and then I have just some odds and ends. So let's see what I found. Okay, I think we will start with these St. Patrick's Day little really pretty green, really white carnations tipped in green with that green glitter. And then they have this beautiful little coins with the little clover on it. I think these are really cute. And I got 7 of these. And I have an idea for this for St. Patrick's Day. Then I picked up just one of these little garlands for St. Patrick's Day, and they have the little clovers on that as well, and I thought these were really cute. And then, and this is in no particular order, then I picked up one of these little guys with his pot of gold, and he's holding a flag. I just think he's so cute and happy looking. And then I picked up some of this right here. They're just the little paper potting plants. They're not very big. You can see by my hand. They're not very tall at all. But I have some ideas for that. And then I picked up, for Easter, I found this ribbon. I think that is so cute. I love that color. And I don't know if you can tell, but it has an iridescence about it. You might be able to tell. I can't tell. And then this one is really cute too. And then this had the eggs on it, and I thought that was adorable. So you can see all together, they're really going to make a pretty ribbon. And let's see. Then I picked up these color scent markers. I don't believe I've seen it in my Dollar Tree before. It says aromatherapy uses essential oils to positively influence the mind, body, and spirit. So I don't know if this works, but I'll try it out and see. I can use it in my planner, or I may be able to use it with this stamp. Our Dollar Tree had a lot of these stamps that you put on the clear block and then you stamp, and I thought that was so pretty with the flowers. And I thought I might actually, if I use like a brown or a black to stamp it out, I might be able to take these and color the inside. I don't know. We'll just have to see. But I think it's really cute. I hadn't seen these in my Dollar Tree before. And like I said, they had a lot of those types. And then I had seen this before, the little butterfly stamp, so I decided I would pick it up. And then there's these little stencils. I saw these, probably about 2 weeks ago, and I picked these up. But they just have the alphabet on there. And you get 4 sheets, and they're 2-inch stencils. So I thought I might be able to use that. And then back to St. Patrick's Day. Then I found this little guy, and he is so cute, and he sparkles. I don't know if you can tell it, but this gold that he's on, it's so sparkly, and he's holding his little clover, and he has one on his hat, and he's just so happy, and he's all kicked back with his legs up. I just thought he was really cute. And then I picked up some St. Patrick's Day LED lights. I'm thinking about something to do with this. And then some of these green little hats. You get 5. Now, when I took you shopping with me in Navarre or Fort Walton, you went both places with me, I saw these, and that's actually where I picked this up. And then I picked up 2 sets of these foam shamrocks, and you get 12 in each, and they're the lighter green and the darker green, and they're very glittery. And then I just picked up one of these foam little things that you put flowers in or whatever, anything you want to use it for, from Dollar Tree, naturally. And then I showed you these on our shop with me. And I actually bought these that day as well, but I think they're really pretty. I love all those clovers and the different designs on them. That'll be really pretty in a planner. or whatever you want to use it for. Then I picked up 3 of these 5x7 picture frames. And it's always good to have these around because you never know when you need them. And if you have them on hand, you don't have to go out and look for them. And then I picked this up. I thought this was so adorable for St. Patrick's Day. Welcome, and then all that beautiful glitter is so pretty. I just love it, and I love the different patterns and how they've combined them. I just thought that was really super, super cute. And then I picked up 4 bags of these coins. I just think they're really cute with the little clovers on them. And then the back says, a 4-leaf clover for good luck. I just think that's really sweet. So like I said, I picked up 4 of these. So that pretty much brings to the end my haul. Like I said, it was a small one, but I had a blast shopping for this stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.